Hello, this is Bill with Money for Coffee, and today I'm going to show you Get Response landing page sign up form. That's Get Response landing page sign up form. So if you don't have Get Response, I'll have a link below the video in the description. It's completely free. You don't need any credit card. And then for the first 30 days, they give you all the advanced features. And then after that, if you want to keep some of the advanced features, you can. But like I said, that's totally up to you. You can also keep your free forever account. So you just come to the top, hit login if you already have one, or just hit to the right, sign up for free, whichever one. Just give it a second to log in. Okay, then you come up to Tools and click on Tools. And then come down and hit landing pages. And I've also seen this, instead of putting all these options here, they'll put them all along the toolbar. It comes up either way, I don't know why. But so if you don't see it in this drop down where it has tools, it'll be along here somewhere. So, but for whatever reason, it's been here lately. So anyway, come up, hit tools, come down, hit landing pages, just click on that. Okay, then we're going to create a landing page. So just click on that. Sorry, I went a little too fast there. I hate when people do that. So hit build from scratch and just hit show templates. But this, it says build from scratch, but they have some basic templates, or you can pick these from these templates. There's zillions of them. If you like one of these, you can scroll through them and find one you like. But I'm just going to go for the basic ones. So just hit show templates. And these are, like I said, the simple ones. Okay, and I think this one's a nice one, so you just hover over it and hit select template. Name it. You can name this whatever you want. This is just for your own record. It doesn't matter what you name it. Hit next step. Maybe like a few more seconds. There we go. Okay, so now you're on this page. Everything on the landing page is just, you just hover over it. And you click on it, and then if you don't want this, you don't want your logo here, you would just hit the trash can. And then for the image, you just click on it, and you can replace this very easily. You can add a file from the computer, or you can just come down here and click use, and it's that easy. Obviously, I'd make this a little bit bigger, and you just grab these little squares and just make. I'm trying to go through this quickly because it's not really about this, but I'm just going to show you. All this, you just click in here, and you can type in anything you want. It's what you see is what you get. And then there'll be options here to adjust the font, the color. So that's pretty easy. But this is about the Get a Response landing page sign up form. So this is a sign up form right here. And this came with the template. But so you can come on here and you can make this smaller like this. You can go on this one, make it smaller. You can adjust the button. You can double click on it. You can change the color. Let me see if it works. Sometimes it doesn't. Nope, it's working good. But if it doesn't, I'll show you a way around that. So that's pretty much it. And then also you can come to the top and you can change the web form fields. Just click on, if you just kind of hover over this little web form fields will come up. Click that. And you can require them to put a certain field in. You can pick any fields you want. If you want to go with consent fields, what that is, that's underneath the options, like your name, the email. It'll have a little checkbox and it'll say something like I consent to receiving coupons each week or whatever. I've never seen any marketers do that, and I've never seen any small businesses, but I've seen some big companies do that. And if you want to learn more about that, just click on learn how to do it, and Get Response made a nice little 2-minute video on it if it's something you're interested in. Okay. If you don't like the opt-in form that came with your template, you can just come on here and hover over it, go up to the trash can, and just hit delete, like this. And then you come over here, and underneath the button in the tool section, just come down, it says button, then go underneath. And then here's where you can put your own form in, and just come over to the left, and then drag and drop the form in, like this. I think that's a lot nicer looking form. And then you can adjust this, just move around these little squares, just drag and drop. You can make it bigger, smaller. And same with inside here. You can make this smaller if you'd like. Just try to line it up. But you can resize that, and then you can align this little bit better. So that's pretty easy. That's the opt-in form. And then also, like the other one, if you come in here and hover over it and just click at the top, you'll get this web form fields, and just click on that. And then you can get rid of the your name. You can add first and last name. You do whatever you want. It also has the consent fields. But let's just say we'll get rid of. And then you can also, if you like, if you want to make it required, you just click on it. And then this blue button will come along. But we'll get rid of the name just to show you. Hit OK. And then it just has the email and the sign up. Okay, we'll go back and I'll show you something else. Just click on it, hit web form. We'll put your name back on there, hit OK. And you can also just come in here. Oh, it's the wrong size there. You can just come in here and delete this. And you can also move these around. Because you would do it, you would do your name, then email. So, like I said, you can just click on this. You can drag and drop, move them around, reorder them, or you can just, if you want to get rid of a field, just hover over it and then click on the trash can. So now we just have the email and the sign up. And then as far as the button goes, just double click on it and you can change the color. Hit OK. And then just change this, put like, just click on it and then backspace and then put whatever you want in here. We're going to make the button a little bit bigger. Or we can also change the font, make it a little smaller. Okay, to change the button, you just double click on it. I'm just going to show you how to change the shape of it. And just come over where you have the little paintbrush and pencil right here. And click on that. And then you can come up here and you can round the button off if you'd like. Just click these little arrows. And then hit OK. And then so you can have more. That's just something if you want to do that. It's optional. Okay, so after you set up your page, then what you want to do, and you can change the background, you can do anything that you want on this page, but I also have other videos on how to set up your landing page, but this is basically just about the sign up form. Okay, so what you want to do is you also want to make sure it's okay in your mobile. So you just come up here, either hit next step, or you can just go right to the mobile. So just click on the little phone, just click on that, and here's the mobile version. So you can move this up, you can make this a little bit, you can resize this, make it a little bit smaller, and then just move this, just click on it, move it, and this is how it would look on mobile. So they would see the video and then they would sign up. But that's pretty easy. It's pretty easy, and then you just hit save, or you can just hit save and exit. I always hit save twice just to be safe, but you can just hit save and exit. So then it'll take you back to that page where you access your landing pages. So here it is down here, and then you just click on it's unpublished now. So you just click on this little bar like that, and it'll be published. And that's pretty much it. So guys, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and that way you can always refer back to it in your liked videos. Any video now that I found somewhat helpful, or they have any tips that I like in there, I always like them and subscribe, because then that way I can find them again. Because a lot of times I'd find videos I like and then I wouldn't be able to find them again. But alright guys, and also if you're looking to get a response, if you don't have it, I'll have a link below. Like I said, it's totally free forever. Or if you want more options, you have the option to pay for those. Alright guys, take care. Thank you.